And we're back again. And we are on turkey time, part 3. We are going to be adding some feathers, some wings and feathers. You'll notice that here I've drawn sort of like an oval, and it's smushed and it's rotated so it's going diagonal like this. Okay. I am just going to sort of take what I've already blended here. Okay. And pull up. I'm going to sort of do like 3 layers of wings. And so we'll have, it'll go from light, medium to dark, almost like a value scale. So I'm going to sort of clean up this area a little bit with my eraser. Okay. It's almost going to be like a value scale. So we have the light, we have our medium color, which already kind of works out right there. I'm going to take my blending stump and sort of do some and I'm going to soften these lines. When I do that, that's going to create a bit of a shadow under the wing. Okay. So we have our light, medium, and so here it's going to be the darkest. So I'm going to do another layer of my pencil. And I'm not really pressing down super hard. I am applying a bit more pressure than I did before, but excuse me. Then I can just soften that up. And this is the underside of my turkey, so I can make that a little bit darker. It's not too bad. You don't have to do it like that, but I just thought that was an interesting way to add some more value changes. So the next thing that we're going to do, and it might be the final thing, is that we're going to add the sort of turkey plumes that are coming out here. So if the turkey's walking this way, those back feathers will be back here. So we can do curved lines sort of like this, and see how I'm spacing them out. And they're going to get shorter. Okay. And we're going to curve this. Curve that. Clean that up. I'm going to curve these lines a little bit more. I'm running out of paper. Might make that a little bit shorter. We'll see. And so these are curved, these will curve. Looks like we maybe need to put some more over here. If you feel like doing some more over to the side, you certainly can do that. Okay, so I know my lines look a little scratchy now. Let me get that blender out and soften it up. So if I do this blending in between the feathers, it's going to kind of soften it up and make it look nicer, but it's also going to create a bit of a shadow in between. I'm going to do a little bit right here too, coming up from the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and do it this way too. And I curve in like this. Now you could stop right there, but I have seen where we could add, I did this with my older children. We draw a line down the middle of the feather and then just do some rough, almost like V's. And that adds some texture on our turkey. Sometimes adding texture with the value can make things a little bit more interesting. Instead of it being all flat. And we're just now you can see that I still need to go back and do the small textures here. Like that. You know, and feel free to finish your turkey the way that you want to. You might even add a little bit more of the blending down here. It makes it look more like a sphere. And some small circles. And that is our turkey time turkey. If you find that you need to clean it up a little bit, you can take your eraser and kind of erase around where you've done blending before. That tends to make it pop. And let's see, maybe we'll do a line back here so that add a little bit of depth. Don't know where the turkey's going. Can also add a little bit down here. Don't know if you're like me, but I can shade all day. Please subscribe if you like the videos, and keep drawing. Have a good day. Bye.